lose him life for. Yes. Anybody depend that I must him. Cause him can't stand still. You come out here, walk and put the little boy name through the mud. No little people where the pan drugs can't do this kind of work with Jayden do at school and been a valedictorian student. So go ahead from here, so dirty girl. You're too evil. Yes. I bet you none of your people will never come out to be a valedictorian Pitney. Eh? None of them. Bad mind, kill no. Bad mind. Wanna see how the little boy a prosper. All wanna do to the little boy, him still a prosper. Him still a prosper. I don't know say if him continue so, little boy gonna be successful. Wanna do everything and stop him in him tracks. But obey unto uno. Uno gonna suffer. You and your pity them are gonna suffer. Long neck girl. You think you get where you don't get where yet. You pity them. You pity. You gonna suffer for what you do to Jayden'S. You don't think you don't get where. You see some people that suffer. All kind of crosses reach them. And see them when them sow. Every seed you sow, you shall reap. You long neck girl. You and your pity them are gonna reap the seed. Wanna sow in a Jayden life. Yes. All of you will do something to Jayden'S. You go and reap it. You understand? Every night we cry tears on top of tears. You go feel the wrath for Jayden'S. Yes, man. You gonna do to Jayden'S something because you feel that Jayden'S was less than. Nobody where God creates is less than. Every single one of us God creates. God have a motive for it. Every single one of we, whether upon this earth, is precious to the Most High. You understand? Nobody no better than nobody. Money no make you better than nobody. You understand? Color no make you better than nobody. You understand? Nobody no better than nobody because dust to dust, ashes to ashes. You understand? No found to walk around and think you no better than somebody because the color on the skin. You no think you no better than somebody. You no walk around because you no have little money. You no think you no better than somebody. You no look down upon people. Let me tell you something. Just the way you no come in this earth, naked as on the day on the barn, and naked the day on the go back to the Most High. None of you no better than nobody. The only person can say them better than somebody and who can live forever and ever. Right now, nobody can live forever and ever. We have to go back to the dust where we come from. When we walk around here with no chest up. You understand? And don't come deal with Jayden like Jayden and nobody. Well, me I gonna tell you something. Jayden is somebody. And everybody I get pushed out. Baby mother I get pushed out. Pitney I get pushed out. Everybody who hold evidence I get pushed up on the internet. The police them no want to do them job. Well, them go see the evidence float round. If Jayden no get justice, well I saw it go. Because them never did want to give Jayden justice. But the truth I go up on the internet forever and ever. The truth I got there out upon the internet forever and ever. Oh, Jayden own family deal with him and analyze him. The truth I got there out here. The lies with them tell, we are gonna put the truth out here, make people see. Say them is some wicked set of family, some wicked set of people who live in Manchester. Yeah. On the things I'm just gonna get what with Jayden thinks so. On the things I'm not just get what with Jayden. The police them don't want to do them job. Nobody don't want to find justice for Jayden. And we just gonna sit down and make them get where enough is enough, Jamaica. We're tired of it. We're tired of the corruption. So at time now we make the whole world know and see the corruption we're going to Jamaica. Because the love of money. You understand? The love of money, criminal can walk free. What can go so? Eh? What can go so? The love of money make the criminals them can walk free. Somebody do something to a child over 7 months and them still a walk free and no child and the child was in their care and them go tell the police them lie and say a stranger get umbrella when a next door neighbor get umbrella. Well, we're going to show Jamaica say listen. The moment Anne-Marie did come out here, it's pure lie. She come and tell Jamaica people. Anne-Marie never have an ounce of love for Jayden'S. Anne-Marie never have an ounce of love for Jayden'S. The long neck girl never have an ounce of love for Jayden'S. You see how she can't looking at the camera and talk? You see how she over here scratch up herself? Guilt upon her all over. You can continue to give the little wishy-washy boy itinerary and tell him and make him come out, come tell, say you're innocent. Lady, you're not innocent. Lady, your body language speak louder than words. When you come out here by the first interview with your body language tell, say you do something and you know where Jayden there. Lady, you can't fool the little idiot boy over there. You can't fool nobody else. You need to push out Jayden, make we bury him and get him to rest. Because you see a little jumping jack where you have over there, him a go feel everything. Him a go get the karma of a lifetime for Jayden'S. You hear what me say? Him life a go filled with misery if we not come out and talk what to do to Jayden'S. All the tears we cry, I go up on your pitney. You go see all kind of crosses I come down by your picnic. You go wonder why. You understand that the tears of the mothers I come down by your picnic. You better come out, come talk what to do to Jayden. You better come out, come talk what to do to Jayden. You understand? When over there come go give boy I-10 boy over there. I come make a mockery of Jayden case. Eh? All him was same of pitney. Oh be unto you. Oh be unto you, Mr. Wishy-washy boy. You understand? You over there buy out people. I get lion, I get tiger. You understand? Think you could have buy me out too. For over there, I put me in a contract. Because you want me over there with you, with the foolishness. You know, say you never out there for Jayden'S. You understand? But oh, be unto you. Be glad oh God show you up. Be glad oh God show you up to me. You understand? Be glad oh God show me up. I sure you say you're a snake against Jayden'S. You have a woman over there about una try fight justice. She are looking at the realm of the spirit. The realm of the spirit can't solve the damn case. A confession can solve this case, yeah. People come out, come talk when them do to Jayden and evidence. You understand? You think say looking at the realm of the spirit can solve case? Them a police and never want to do them damn job. You have to have the real hardcore evidence for solve this case here. You come out here have woman. You go talk about give me time. And when you check out, look where the boy have. I want one woman about she looking at realm of the spirit. And meanwhile she looking at realm of the spirit. Here the idiot boy now. That's who me can't. Me need to go inside for go play it in a man. The idiot boy. And they put Jayden in the taxi. And then here, yeah. And then here, and where the car Jayden'S go? Just leave me. Oh, one light skin, one tall one. Yeah. And that the wishy-washy boy over there do last night. Yeah. It moved from say them innocent now to over there have woman where looking at realm of the spirit. I talk to Jade. Me say that boy, me say, God, Me say some people, me say some people are some evil against we, you know. Him a more than Jezebel, mama, you know. Him a more than Jezebel. Him bring out a woman, but she looking at realm of the spirit. First, him come out with itinerary. First, he come out with something where the people them give him, the family them give him. Now him come out here and me say, you see him, man? Me say, no, sir. Me say, me no know. Me no know what God are going to do with all some of you. The boy come out last week with I-10 with a piece of old dirty paper. You understand? Where the dirty family them game. Then now, him come out now. I come out now for distract we again. But somebody are looking at realms of the spirit. If the woman that looking at the realms of the spirit, she don't know say he's an old dirty serpent. Make us see if I can play it on my phone here. Because, I tell you, I not have the speaker. That's the problem. I not have the speaker out here. Me say the boy is something else. I tell you, the boy is something else. The boy out here, so I do everything for discredit Jayden'S case. That boy there. You understand? That boy there is an evil piece of boy. Evil money hungry piece of boy. Him out there give people lion, tiger and all these things. Me hear. You understand? The people that will get the lion and the tiger, they come back out to talk. Me go see me can find it and if you can't hear it but this, me I tell you now. This a boy, yeah. The boy a one evil boy. Let's see if I can find the fool in this show.
I think she might be right. You said something about, she said something about him being burned.
Yeah.
I see some type of fire, but I don't know if he been put in that fire or not, but I see fire.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you see the taxi. You see two people, a male in his 40s.
Yeah, this man.
Could it be older than 40?
Dress up all the time.
Oh, like what kind of clothes?
Like suits and stuff. He look like he dress up all the time.
Oh.
He clean cut. Yeah, he look like he stay dressed up all the time.
Mm-hmm.
The woman say. The woman say. The man we should see with Jayden'S is a woman. And a man. Him have clean cut and he don't like him dress up all the time. You understand? He dress up all the time. Now the principal must the woman that talk about. That must the principal. That must the innocent principal. The woman that talk about. They hear him and try to tell the woman say. Hear him and tell the woman say. When say he can't look more than 50. I try to make the woman say Mr. T. Yeah, but the woman say, and the principal, when you come out say, you know. You see, that's why you don't set trap. See, he come out and say, at the primary school principal. But listen, let us see him there be my principal of Manchester. really urban. And the same people that website innocent. I see a principal when come say innocent. I see a principal, they see that ribs with Jayen. It can't get no better and no sweet. People, tomorrow night I'm gonna make you listen to it better when I connect everything to the Bluetooth. It can't get no better. We can't laugh. God, this can't get no funnier. People, this can't get no funny. No to backside. Eh? The same principal where man over here say he don't say to backside. He gonna get one sidekick woman. And woman see their ribs. Say I see a black ugly man. The woman said the man dress up all the time. Hear him now. Oh, casual dressing. The woman said no. He dress up all the time. Never go listen to this. Me I tell you, tomorrow night me gonna play with me ear over here. Listen people, we should watch it. We should watch it. We should watch it. I'm gonna go listen to you tonight. We can't laugh, people. You see what you forget and that you forget. Yahuwah, and that you forget. Yahuwah, and that the little dog should forget. And that you forget. And that you forget. You know how it sweet me, yeah? People who don't know how it sweet me, yeah? If you don't only know how this thing is sweet me. And I love Me say I saw him go up, me say, no sir. Him need to put up Jayden's case. Him say the family them innocent. Now him come out here now. Have somebody in the realms and look. You see how the man evil? And him say the family them innocent can't get I-10 with and this, that. The boy, may I tell you, the boy you want. It's a boy you want, devil, you know. Yeah man, the rat trap catch him. The boy you want Satan, you know. The boy you want piece of Satan. Disciple. May I tell you though, a boy you want Satan. Can't do Satan. No sir. Guys, I'm going to eat my dinner, you know, because I tell you this, I'm going to sleep all evening. Guys, I'm going to eat my dinner, you know. I want to look a piece of something and go on my bed, because I'm not cooking no dinner. Yeah. I don't know how them sleep at night time. I don't know how them sleep for true. The boy wicked, I tell you, so the boy wicked, the boy is a straight up serpent. Straight up serpent. You understand? I try to know it's sweet, man. He might try to tell the lady something else. You say the lady are looking at the realms of the spirit. And the lady tell her, say she say demon principal. Backtrack her. The way you get where you ask for. Yeah, you come out and say them innocent. And you get where, yes, you get where you ask for. Anything you ask for, and that you get. Anything you ask for, that you get. You get, say the man involved in that it. Take it. Yeah, you come out and you say the man innocent. Now you know, say the demon man not innocent. For the woman say the man well dressed. Every time you see that the demon say him well dressed. Him dressed to the bone. Yes. Yes, you get exactly what you ask for. Yeah. Come come out want clear him and want involve the primary school principal. Primary school principal, they don't call up in a nothing. The only person call up is the serpent we oversaw. Serpent man. Yeah, that's the only name call up a serpent.